Hey guys, what's going on? This is Rob here, just letting you guys know if you guys have a Power Wheels, you have any kids. I just bought the 18 volt conversion package for the Milwaukee battery. Come with two with also inline fuse. You can see here we got a 30 amp fuse, which is okay. You can't have too much weight in these machines. If you have too much weight, if the girls ride together, it does pop a fuse. So that is a negative about the set, but I'll show you really quick how to hook it up. It's very easy. You got the existing 12 volt battery. Disconnect this before we do anything. Once it's disconnected, remove the battery. Let's do it. Once the battery is removed, you want to cut these wires. You want to give yourself enough slack on both sides so you can splice the other lines together. So you want to cut them, and then you want to pull some of this wire back. So if you have any wire cutters, you might want to splice these a little bit. Get a little, about a half an inch would be okay as far as what you want to leave behind. Now you have the new set. You want to make sure you get these lines together. You're gonna have black to black, ground to ground, and then the red and white are gonna go together. All right. So I use wire nuts here. You could do a permanent solution. They did give you a little kit to put together, but it didn't really work well for me. So what I did is I just used the wire nuts. And when this Milwaukee battery dies, it only lasts about 10 minutes. So when it dies, the girls want to keep going. I still have the old 12 volt we could throw in there. So I'll unscrew these wire nuts, take this off, and then put the old one back on, even though they don't like too much because it doesn't go that fast. But in the meantime, I'm going to wire these together with two hands because it's really hard with one, and I'll show you what it looks like. In here, clip right in, and that's it. So put this down here. Don't really have to strap it too hard, and then you wire it up. Very simple. I kept this in a separate pack, so again, when they want to change them, you just unscrew these, and you could screw this in and do the old 12 volt again. Runs much better with the Milwaukee. It is night and day. I'll show you the difference in about 10 seconds. But that's pretty much it. Very simple. Wire these in. Hope you guys learned something. And then keep it right there. Hold it. Good. Hold the camera. And your fingers over the lens. Like that. Just like that. I'm going to wire this, and make sure you watch me do it, okay? You watching me? So I'm going to wire these two together. I'm going to show everyone the difference between the 18 volt and the 12 volt on how fast it is compared to the original. Put these two together. Put the wire nut right on. I'm going to spin it. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Perfect. You stay right there. I'm going to get battery. Get the 12 volt battery in. Plug it in. See how it runs, okay? Okay, I want to see you go. You show me how fast it is. Okay, girlfriend. Yeah, you go one more time. Go. The kit was not bad. I think it was like $15. You just got to buy the Milwaukee batteries and the charger. Good job. Thank you for your test driving. First thing you want to do is make sure you disconnect. Oh yeah, I just got a little shock. Okay, you want to make sure we disconnect this before we do anything. It runs, okay? Okay, I don't want to see you go. You show me how fast it is. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you're still around, please like and subscribe. We will be back next week. Yeah, you drive. Tell me how fast it is. And guys, hope you have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon. In the new grass, okay? Right over there. So go around the purple thing, and then come back on the patio all the way around, okay? Okay.
Where's the purple thing?
Right there, in the lawn. Your seesaw. So put it in go. Come on. Yeah. Okay, girlfriend. Okay, shut the door. Let's see. Okay, you go one more time.